Imagine a customer walking right through your front door with a grinding brake noise. They stand in your waiting room, but your service advisor ignores them, hands them a 10-page history manual on when your shop opened in 1984. If your auto repair shop website is getting traffic, but your front desk phone still isn't ringing enough, you're leaving money on the table at the very last step. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you why so many website visitors click away without booking an appointment, and how to fix your digital counter so that every bit of traffic, or as much as possible, turns into the maximum number of repair orders. I'm Brad Hurlock, host of the Garage Grit podcast, co-owner of AA Shop Marketing. Imagine a customer walking right through your front door with a grinding brake noise. They stand in your waiting room, but your service advisor ignores them, hands them a 10-page history manual on when your shop opened in 1984, and doesn't ask for their keys or to offer up to write a work order. That customer's going to turn around, walk out, and crunch his way over to your competitor across the street. That's exactly what is happening with a poorly optimized website, and that's what it does to potential customers every single day. Getting search traffic to your website is only half the battle. If you bring drivers to a site that lacks thumb-friendly call buttons, clear trust badges, and an easy way to book an appointment, then you are pouring brand new oil straight onto an engine with a blown seal. You need strong search visibility, but you also need a site that actually closes the deal. Drivers look for a repair shop on their smartphones. They're usually stressed out, short on time, sitting at the side of the road. They do not want to hunt through 5 different menu tabs just to find out whether or not you work on Euro vehicles or diesels. They want 3 quick answers. Can you fix my vehicle? Are you trustworthy? How do I get in touch with you right now? High-converting shop websites are not built like art projects. They are not built like streamlined assembly lines. They are built like streamlined assembly lines. Click to call buttons right at the top, clear warranty guarantees, real customer reviews where eyes land first, and mobile first navigation. Shops are not built like art projects. They are built like streamlined assembly lines. Click to call buttons right at the top, clear warranty guarantees, real customer reviews where eyes land first, and a mobile first navigation. If a driver cannot schedule a visit or call your shop with a single thumb tap, you have lost the job. If you want to find out whether your website is actually converting local drivers or letting profitable jobs slip through the cracks, head over to addi.me/jumpstart. That's addi.me/jumpstart. And my team's going to run a free market research on your shop and show you where your digital front counter is breaking down. Because at the end of the day, auto repair shop digital marketing isn't about buying another one-off service. Every single shop needs local SEO, an active Google business profile, a strong website content, strong converting websites, fresh reviews, accurate citations, local service ads, social media, and AI visibility. The trick isn't choosing between them. It's managing how much each your specific shop needs right now to keep the base full. And that's digital marketing management, and that's AA Shop Marketing. I'm Brad Hurlock, host of the Garage Grit podcast and co-owner of AA Shop Marketing. Head over to addi.me/fuel for more practical auto repair shop digital marketing insights. High converting